Are we seeing a direct attack by European banks on Visa and Mastercard, but more interestingly, an attack on big techs active in financial services? This is Marek from PaymentGenes, and today it's all about payments. This week we're going to talk about 16 European banks who are set to launch a unified European payment system by 2022. This would directly compete with the likes of Mastercard, Visa, as well as big tech companies active in financial services. This so-called European Payment Initiative, backed by a European central bank, aims to become the new standard of payments, offering a card for consumers and retailers across Europe. The initiative will cover all types of transactions, including in-store, online, cash withdrawals, and peer-to-peer payments. A pretty ambitious move if you ask me. Here's our breakdown so far. This move intends to take on schemes and big techs. The current giant schemes and big techs in payments essentially either come from the United States or China, naturally leading to non-European players being more dependent upon them. Thierry Laborde, the Deputy Chief Operating Officer at BNP Paribas, said that this is aimed at strengthening Europe, making it more independent and robust. Moreover, the European Central Bank has been advocating for years for an industry-driven solution to compete with the likes of Visa and Mastercard. European payment independence seems to be the goal here. The recent politicalization and full digitalization of payments, further accelerated by the coronavirus, restarted the desire to independence with the European Payment Initiative. And for the European payments market, why does the European Union not have its own giants and rely on non-European players? Well, because the United States and China have the scale to be a giant. Europe does not, and from a payments perspective, it's not united. It is extremely fragmented, with every market having their own preferred payment methods. The only way to compete with schemes or platforms like Facebook and Alibaba is through scale. So then, the European Payment Initiative is actually amazing, and the solution to our independence seems to have been figured out, right? Not exactly. European banks are planning to create this collectively through the pooling of resources. However, from a distribution perspective, prices will still differ from bank to bank. We expect that this seemingly insignificant factor will eventually not unite and therefore not compete with the schemes and big techs active in the European financial services market. Next week, we will continue with this story and cover those who are being attacked by the schemes and the big techs. Thank you for listening. If you want to engage, please leave comments below, and I will see you all next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.